Whoa!
What's up, George?
Tell the toast at the same time.
Yeah, I know. I'll do that when I do the eggs.
Okay. Okay. Well, yeah, see if I hit this kind of thing now.
Get down, 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 get down.
Shake it around. Get up with the get down. Boogie.
And so hard to fit it. Yeah, we still need to do the one for half.
Actually, no, it stays on the cat. Some of it. Just hold it tight. Yeah, it's from, what's it called? Home Alone, yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's it, yeah.
Sir,
Yes, please.
it was leaking, so I put it.
Are we anchored?
Yeah. Well done, guys.
Right.
Oh yeah. Wildlife centre.
Bro, just place him, please. Thank you.
Alright, let's see. So, I don't have anything.
Oh my god, Mark
He
wins
doesn't
it
have
all.
anything. And Mark has a pair. So
Mark has 2 pairs.
Mark
He
has
has
2
it all.
pairs. So Mark wins everything.
How many cushions do we need? You can't get a sense of how many cushions there are here.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. Just the two of us. Just the two of us. Just the two of us.